My name is Gian Chong. I'm from University of Santo Tomas Taekwondo Women's Team. Kasi dati pa talaga gusto ko na mag-taekwondo. I'm fond of fists and martial arts. It's unique po. Kasi sa taekwondo, you use your fists and your feet. You do kickings and punchings. And aside from that, madami kang natutunan na moral lesson. I'm honored kasi I'm from Caraga region dati. And hindi ko in-expect na makapaglaro ako for National Capital Region. Kasi alam ko naman na madaming magagaling dito sa region natin. Siguro po, improvement sa sarili ko po. And bonus na siguro yung medal. Yes, I'm aiming for the gold medal. Nakakapagod yung training. Yun nga lang po, kailangan po talagang maging mas madisiplina. Lalo na dapat matulog ng maayos and kumain ng tama para hindi mag-gain ng weight. Tsaka condition yung katawan. Family ko po, kasi through taekwondo, matutulungan ko sila. Kasi I received a scholarship through this sport and this will help my family with financial. Pag may problema, hindi na sila kailangan gumasta ng malaki sa education ko. When I play, I always think of my family. Kasi they have made a lot of sacrifices for me, so I want to bring back my achievements to them. Kasi it's not easy for them to yung ako malayo sa kanila sa province, and it's not easy for them to spend money on me. The gold medal, syempre. Nag-look forward ako sa gold medal. At the same time, self-improvement through competitions.
Hindi sila